Hi guys, I'm Shigo and this is my tutorial. I will glue down some cotton to give it more volume. I'm going to repeat this process at least 3 times until I have the volume I want. I will also add some more liquid latex and cotton all over my face to have a lot of texture, but not too much. Since you want to get that extreme plastic surgery vibe, don't forget to add huge lips. Now I'm adding the foundation, and don't worry, I know it looks very brown. But now I'm gonna add some white on the highlights of my face to balance out the colors. You don't want to be looking like a ghost, so don't forget to take off all of the excess powder. I'm also adding a little bit of black under the cheeks to give it that exaggerated feel. This is a very important part. You have to add a lot of highlighter to give it more volume. My inspiration behind this look were, of course, Amanda Lepore and Jessica Rabbit, so don't forget the huge red lips. First up, I'm gonna line the lips and then I will fill them in. I will add some darker reds and blacks. I'm also adding some white on the center of the lips. So now I'm gonna draw on the crease. I'm first up gonna put some brown and then some black to give it more definition. I'm now adding some blue to the crease because I like the contrast between the heat and the cold, so red and blue, you get it. You're gonna have to use different blues and different whites. I gotta make the old woman look flawless and glamorous, so I'm adding some glitter, of course. Listen, the woman is old and Botox cannot fix everything, so she's kind of melting. So that's why one of the eyes is kind of bigger than the other because it's like falling down. Do not forget the lashes. And to finish up the look, I will add my white wig and my outfit with these huge ass boobs. Don't worry, I'm not shaming anybody, I love plastic surgery. Okay guys, so don't forget to subscribe to Beauty Studio and of course me, Official Shigo on Instagram. You will be obsessed with me, trust me. Bye!
What's up, you guys? My name is Daniel, and today's makeup look we are going to be doing Lord Voldemort from the Harry Potter series. First step in Voldemort's look is we gotta put on a bald cap. This is a vinyl bald cap that I've shaped to my head just by snipping it out a bit. We want to keep the ears covered because Voldemort doesn't really have ears. In the movies, Voldemort doesn't necessarily have any contact lenses, but in the books of Harry Potter, Voldemort is to be described as having these red snake eyes. After these giant contacts are in my eyes, we're going to glue on the foam latex prosthetic. I'm starting by gluing just the nose and then gradually gluing the edges down piece by piece. Now I'm going to start painting this prosthetic piece. I'm going to be putting a blood layer on the foam latex just to give it the same undertones as my actual skin tone. Voldemort is very gray and blue looking, so I've mixed a concoction of alcohol-based paints that will really dull out the skin. Now for the final reveal, we're putting on the Voldemort robe, and I really feel like a dark wizard. We've got the same wand that he uses, and I am living for this. Alright you guys, this is it. If you enjoyed this video, be sure to like and subscribe. Thanks for watching.